My name is Skaara. I'm a patient. I was diagnosed with idiopathic PAH in 2005. So I've been living 19 years with this disease, still doing very well. I founded the Norwegian Association because there were no association in Norway when I was diagnosed. And later we became part of the European Umbrella Association. I started working more for them, and somebody else took over the Norwegian Association. And today I do project work with PHA Europe. So one of the very exciting projects that I'm working on is something called the Bel Air Center. This is a virtual PH community that we have created. Let me tell you about the name first. Bel Air Hotel was a hotel we used to meet once a year outside Barcelona. And then we had the pandemic and we could not meet anymore. So then we thought we need to meet virtually. So we contacted a company that designed a virtual hotel for us. And we made it into like a virtual conference center. And here we had our annual meeting with our general assembly meeting, and we had presentations, etc. And then once the pandemic was over, we thought this was way too good to just scrap. So we kept it and we developed it further. We removed all links to PHA Europe from it because we want this to be like a global PH community center, not linked to any specific association. When you log in here, you kind of walk into a lobby in a hotel. And I'm actually there to greet you as the receptionist. And you can send me messages and ask me questions. And then you can move from the lobby into different areas of the hotel. So we have one exhibition area for all the association. So each association in PHA Europe, but also other associations around the world that would like, have a booth. And in this booth, they have information about themselves. They can have videos. They can have documents that they upload. They can have links to their web pages, etc. And then also we have an exhibition area for pharma companies that work in the field of pH. And you can go into their booth and see information about their products and about their company. Then we have live session room where you can watch live sessions related to pH. And then once the session is over, we put the recording into a recorded presentation room. And here you can search for all these presentations by keywords. You can search by presenter name, etc. So it's very easy to find a presentation that is fitting for you. And we try to subtitle presentations there, but also we utilize dubbing. So we use artificial intelligence technology to dub so that the person who is presenting in English can speak Spanish or Chinese or any language. So at the moment we have Spanish, German, and Croatian dubbing in there, but we can do much more. And this is a little up to what the community wants and requests. Then we have an art room where PH patients and PH doctors have provided us with art. So it's like you walk through a gallery and you can see artwork on the wall and also videos. For instance, we have a PH doctor that plays piano, and you can see this as an artwork on the wall. And then we have a social area where you can meet other people that's logged on to this virtual center. You can chat with them, or you can have video calls with them, and also you can invite to meetings with other people there. So this is something that, for instance, after you've gone to a presentation, you can go to the social area, meet with other people that's been at the presentation, and discuss the presentation in there. And then we have an area for podcast, and this is where PH Aware have provided us with all their podcasts. So this is a great resource for PH patients, carers, and doctors. So we have made this open to anyone. Anyone can create an account, and you do this by go to belaircenter.info. And also we made this open to associations. So they can create accounts in there. and stands, where they talk about their association. And we have stands from all over the world. We have Japan, China, Canada, USA, most European countries, and Nigeria from Africa, and so on. We had our grand opening at the beginning of the year, 2024, and then we have had a steady increase in number of people that join this community. We hope to continue growing the numbers, not only patients that are welcome, but also carers, healthcare professionals, etc. And also we would welcome even more participants from the medical community and associations to join, to make stands, and also pharma companies. We hope to make this the leading virtual PH platform for PH. My name is Skaara, and I'm aware that I'm rare.